Let's explore logging in Node.js. In this video, we'll cover implementing professional logging using Winston and Morgan. Here's why proper logging is essential. It greatly helps in debugging and troubleshooting, allowing you to quickly identify issues, especially in production environments. Proper logging also enables performance monitoring, helping you track application performance and user behavior to optimize your application. Let us understand the difference between basic console logging and professional logging. Basic console logging typically involves using console.log to output messages, errors, and processing status directly to the console. On the other hand, professional logging uses dedicated logging libraries like Winston, offering more structured and detailed logging with features like log levels, metadata, and integration with various output destinations. Let's delve into Winston. Winston is the most popular logging library for Node.js, offering a variety of features such as multiple transports like files, console, and databases. Winston allows the use of different log levels like error, warn, info, and debug, and provides support for custom formats such as JSON, timestamps, and colors. Let's walk through the basic setup of Winston. First, install Winston using the command npm install Winston. After installation, you can configure Winston to create a logger instance, set the log level, define the format, and specify where the logs should be transported. The code snippet shows a basic configuration where logs are outputted to the console in JSON format. Now let's explore Morgan. Morgan is an HTTP request logger middleware for Express. It provides features like request logging, capturing the HTTP method, URL, and status and response time tracking to monitor the duration of requests. Morgan supports custom formats like common, combined, and dev, allowing you to tailor the log output to your needs. Let's see how to implement Morgan. First, require Morgan in Express. Then, create an Express application instance. After that, use the app.use function to mount Morgan as middleware, specifying the desired format like combined. Morgan also allows you to define custom tokens to include additional information in your logs. The code snippet shows how to define a custom ID token and use it in a custom log format. Here are some logging best practices to follow. Always use appropriate log levels. Use error for failures, info for events, and debug for development purposes. Never log sensitive data like passwords, tokens, and personal information. Always structure your logs by using JSON format with consistent fields and metadata. It's also important to implement log rotation to prevent disk space issues with file size limits. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.